Please use subtitle translation to select desired language. Resistant starch is a type of starch that resists digestion in the small intestine and reaches the colon intact. Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Improved gut health. Resistant starch ACTs as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. During fermentation in the colon, resistant starch is converted into short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, such as butyrate, which nourish colon cells and support gut health. 2. Blood sugar control. Resistant starch can slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. 3. Weight management. By increasing satiety and leading to lower calorie consumption, resistant starch can be a useful component of a weight loss or maintenance strategy. 4. Improved mineral absorption. Resistant starch may improve the absorption of essential minerals, such as calcium and magnesium, contributing to better bone health. 5. Heart health benefits. Some studies suggest that resistant starch may help lower cholesterol levels, which could reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Here are some sources of resistant starch that you can easily incorporate into your diet. 1. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans. High in protein and fiber, legumes provide a significant amount of resistant starch along with essential nutrients. 2. Whole grains, barley, brown rice, and whole grain bread or pasta. Whole grains contain various types of fiber, including resistant starch, and offer additional health benefits. 3. Unripe bananas. Green bananas are particularly high in resistant starch. As bananas ripen, the resistant starch converts to sugars, so opting for less ripe bananas is key. 4. Potatoes. Cooked and cooled potatoes, such as potato salad, have increased levels of resistant starch due to the retrogradation process that occurs during cooling. 5. Rice. Similar to potatoes, cooked and cooled rice, e.g., in sushi or cold rice salads, develops resistant starch. Choosing whole grain varieties can enhance nutrient content. 6. Corn. Certain types of corn, especially when cooked and cooled, can contain resistant starch. 7. Nuts and seeds. Some nuts and seeds, such as chia seeds and flax seeds, contain small amounts of resistant starch. They also provide healthy fats and protein. 8. Oats. Oats, especially when minimally processed, like steel-cut or rolled oats, have a moderate amount of resistant starch. To maximize the resistant starch content in certain foods, the cooking and cooling process is key. Here's how to do it for various sources of resistant starch. 1. Potatoes, rice and pasta. After cooking, let them cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 12 hours. The cooling process allows the starch to retrograde and increases resistant starch levels. 2. Legumes. Soak dried beans or lentils overnight, then boil them until tender. Allow them to cool and refrigerate for several hours, ideally overnight. 3. Green bananas. Incorporating green bananas into smoothies or salads can provide resistant starch directly. Cooked green bananas can also be boiled and then cooled to increase resistant starch. While resistant starch offers several health benefits, consuming it in excessive amounts can lead to some side effects. 1. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Rapid fermentation of resistant starch in the gut can produce gas, leading to bloating and discomfort. 2. Diarrhea or loose stools. For some individuals, particularly those not accustomed to high-fiber diets, excessive resistant starch can lead to diarrhea or loose stools. 3. Constipation. If resistant starch is consumed without adequate hydration or a balance of other types of fiber, it can contribute to constipation in some people. 4. Nutrient absorption issues. In very high amounts, resistant starch may interfere with the absorption of certain minerals, particularly if it leads to gastrointestinal issues. While resistant starch can offer health benefits for many people, certain populations should avoid or be cautious with its consumption. 1. Individuals with digestive disorders. People with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, or diverticulitis may experience worsened symptoms from high fiber intake, including resistant starch. 2. People with pancreatic disorders. Those with pancreatitis or pancreatic insufficiency may struggle to digest high-fiber foods properly, leading to discomfort or digestive issues. 3. Individuals with kidney disease. A high intake of certain starchy foods can lead to increased potassium and phosphorus levels, which may be detrimental for those with kidney problems. 4. Individuals with eating disorders. The introduction of high-fiber foods may exacerbate disordered eating patterns or cause anxiety around food for those recovering from eating disorders. 5. Children. While some resistant starch can be beneficial, children's digestive systems may not handle large amounts effectively. A balanced diet with a variety of fibers is usually recommended. 6. Individuals with hypoglycemia. Those prone to low blood sugar levels might need to be cautious with resistant starch, as it can affect blood sugar levels differently than simple carbohydrates. 7. Individuals on certain medications. Some medications may interact with high-fiber diets, leading to reduced absorption of the medication or increased gastrointestinal side effects. This video is intended to provide health information. If you have a medical condition, please seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Your support is my biggest motivation.